Welcome to day one of a week's worth of pasta. Can you pronounce this properly for me, please?
Aglio Olio e Peperoncino.
Aglio Olio e Peperoncino.
Very good.
Thank you. This is a spin on a classic drunk food.
It was late night food, yeah.
Late night food. So when you come in Italy, steaming, obviously you're going to make yourself some pasta. But it's garlic, olive oil and chilli. But we've decided to ramp it up a bit with a sausage and parmesan crumb.
Now, I love learning recipes from my friends, from my family, but one of my greatest teachers is actually my husband, Simon. He is half Italian. His mum's from Sardinia. And there are so many techniques that I've picked up through Italian cuisine and his daily cooking that feed well and truly into katie.pix. This method is called pasta risottata. In the same way that you cook risotto by adding liquid to your rice, we're going to add liquid to the pasta whilst the sauce is cooking through. This releases the starches and creates this gorgeous, unctuous, silky sauce. Plus, it only uses one pan, so there's barely any clearing up to do. To sit alongside this gorgeous velvety texture, we have got the sausage crumb, crisped up sausage and parmesan in the pan, sprinkled on top. For the full recipe details, the method and the breakdown of ingredients, make sure you go to katie.pix.com and happy cooking!
It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be a good week.